and welcome to part 1 of my text engine in Scratch series. Today we will be making a basic text engine, and in later installments of the series we will expand on it. And it will look something like this. Let's just get into making it. First we need to set up the costumes. Here you can see all the letters of the alphabet. They're all named accordingly and they're also all centered. I also have some punctuation marks and a blank one for spaces. You are free to make more costumes if you want to. Now go to My Blocks and make a block and name it Write. Then click Make an Input and name that one Text. And then add a label at X. Add another input X, add a label Y, and add an input called Y. And now we have a custom block here. So it will write whatever we want to write in here. So like hello, at X position whatever we write in here, and at Y position whatever we write in here. But before it does that, we need to code it. So first we need to make 2 new variables. Name the first one sentence and the second one pause for position. Get the set2 block and change it to set sentence to text. We will need this for later. Now go to motion and get out the go-to block and make it go to x, x, y, y. This is the part of the code which lets you write whatever you want. Now go back to variables and get out the set2 block again and set pause to 0. So it will set our position to 0. Now go to control and get out the repeat loop and put it under all of this code. Operators, and then get out the length of block. It says length of apple right now, but we will change it to length of text. So for the length of whatever we write in here, so if it's like hello, it will repeat this 5 times, and if we write something like hi, it will repeat it 2 times. So for that many times, it will repeat this loop. Well, first we need to go to variables and get this change block. Put it in the loop, change pause by 1. Then go to control, create a clone of myself, and then wait about 0.1 seconds, and then go to motion and move 13 steps. For every letter in our text, it will repeat this. It will change our pause by 1. It will create a clone of itself. It will wait this many seconds, and it will move this many steps. Okay, so now we have to code what happens when it creates a clone of itself. So go to when it starts the clone, bring it out, and get out show. And then this is the part where it all happens. Switch costume to letter position a sentence. So as you remember here, it changed our position by 1, and it always sets our sentence to text, and the text is what we write in here, and it repeats the length of the text. So it will switch costume to the current letter we need. As you already know, this program will not work yet, because there's no way to start it. So go to when clicked and go to my blocks, get the custom block out, and let's just write hello there at x minus 200, y 0, and get out the hide block so our original sprite won't show. And there you have it. It shows you hello there, and it works. But there is a thing we could add which could make this a lot cooler. So click on our original custom block and click on edit. We will add a label, call it every, add an input and call it delay, and then another label, and call that one seconds, and bring out delay in wait 0.1 seconds. So now with this code, we can control the number of seconds in between. So now we can write 0.1, 0.2, whatever we want. And it's a lot cooler now. As you see, you can write 0.1 and then 0.2, it's a little slower. And yeah. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss part 2. Bye!